Stop by and take a look at the 2026 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, low tire pressure warning, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.